Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit T-Rex 3 and I'm gonna show you how to track the amount of the calories burned on this watch. We can check the amount of the calories burned on this watch in a couple of ways. The first way is to do it on the watch face, because some of the watch faces display that information. So wake up the screen on your watch and let's check. This one, I don't believe it displays that information, but we can press and hold on the current watch face to open the watch face menu and look for something that does. And this one displays it, so if you select it and apply it, it will display the calories burned. Also, I believe there's more, so we have this one also display the calories, and this one also does. This one I don't think it does. This one doesn't. This one doesn't. And this one does, right here. And this one also does. So as you can see, there's quite few to choose from, and you can also download more from the watch face store in the Zep application. Another way to check the amount of calories burned is to do it through the activity app. So if you press the back button to open the menu, find the activity icon, you can tap on it, and here you can scroll down. And right here we have the amount of calories burned by walking or training, and the amount of calories burned, I believe, by resting. And last way to check it is to do it through the phone application if your watch is paired with a phone. So we can move this to the side, bring our phone, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen. And on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the Zep application. And in the app, you should see the home page. On this page, you can scroll down and look for the calories. And here we have it. You can tap on it and you can check the daily progress, weekly and monthly. And also have the resting calorie consumption right here below the graph. And once you're done, you can close the app. And that's how you track the amount of the calories burned on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.